Hello friends, welcome back to my channel Astro Pankaj Seth, just the best. I am Astro Pankaj Seth. Today come with the new topic Moon and Venus conjunction. As we know that for the Moon, Venus is the neutral planets, but for the Venus, Moon is the enemy planets. So when we look the Moon and Venus conjunctions, then it is the full with some negative results and full with some positive results. So Moon and Venus conjunction can give the mixed results in the horoscope. Moon and Venus conjunction is indicating the natural artistic talents. Native may be very good in the singing, he has a good knowledge of cooking, he has a good knowledge of the fashions, he has a good knowledge of the makeup and other artist qualities. Because Moon is indicating the natural talents and it is associated with the Venus, so native has natural talents related to the Venus, and Venus represents music, luxurious items such as the interior decorator or room decorators, clothes decorating, makeups or other such type of things. Moon and Venus is indicating natives may be inclined toward the luxurious lifestyle. He may be extremely comfort lover. He loves the traveling. Why? Moon is our mind, and Venus is indicating the luxurious things. So mind is indicating toward the luxurious things. That's why the above results is possible. Moon and Venus is indicating native may be flirty by natures. Why? Moon is our mind and is associated with the Venus, so native may be sensual. He may be inclined towards the flirty natures. He may facing blamings by the ladies. Moon and Venus is indicating unstable wealth. Because Venus is the wealth, our money, and it is associated with the Moon, which is indicating the unstable things or unstable circumstances. So native financial conditions will be unstable. Moon and Venus is indicating the loans. So native may be inclined towards taking the loans. He may be easily getting the loans, or we can say that native may be always in the loans. Moon and Venus is indicating native has awesome quality of negotiation, because the Venus represents the Samaniti and Moon represents the Damaniti. So it is the combination of Samniti and Damniti, which is very good for the negotiation. So native has awesome quality of negotiation. He may be Damamat means he is inclined towards getting any things by offering the price. Sama means he is inclined towards the getting any things by the counseling, via the talking with the each others. So native has a power of Samaniti and Damaniti. So it is indicating native may be very good in the negotiation. He may be expert in sale and purchase due to his bargaining qualities. Moon is our root. Venus is Karak of the beauty. So when the Moon and Venus is associated in the charts, native has good knowledge of dressing sense. He has good knowledge of cloth and cloth related matters. So we can also say that native may be very successful in the cloth business or decorating of items or anything related to the Moon and Venus. In the same times we can say that native may be looking handsome and beautiful. Moon is our mother and mother is associated with the Venus. So we can say that his mother may be good looking His mother may be money minded. She has very good accumulated wealth. Because mother is associated with the Venus. Venus is our wife and it is associated with the moon. Moon is the enemy of the Venus. So for the wife it is not considered so much good, because moon is the mother, Venus is the wife, and it is associated. So we can say that native may have some sort of issues in their home, lack of domestic happiness, misunderstanding with his mother and his wife, or we can say that the सास mother सास बहू के झगड़े. So it is indicating that issues in mother and wife, mother-in-law and wife. Again, moon is indicating the travelings and it is associated with the Venus. So we can say that native's wife may be belongs from the faraway place, or natives meet his wife during the travelings. His wife may have some sort of artistic qualities, and she may be fickle minded and crazy in natures, because Venus is associated with the moon. So moon qualities in the wife, so travelling aspects or artistic qualities or fickle minded or crazy minded, we can say like this. Native may has lack of domestic happiness due to issue of his wife. That doesn't means native and his wife doesn't love each other. Native will be very much inclined towards his wife, or he is emotionally attached with his wife, but it is due to the mother-in-law problems. So we can say that some sort of domestic happiness, some lack of domestic happiness in his home. Native's wife may be suffering from cold and cough related issues. His wife has some sort of issues related to the hormones or ladies problems if the moon and Venus is not well placed in the charts. Native may be suffering from the any issues related to the lungs, because moon and Venus both are the water planets. So it may indicating either natives may have some sort of issues related to the lungs or cough related issues, and we can also say that native may have some sort of hormonal problems. Negative results generally happen when the planet is not well placed. Thank you. Hope you like my videos, and if you like my videos, then please subscribe my channel Astro Pankaj Seth. Tomorrow I will be meet with the new topics, Moon and Saturn conjunction, which is also known as the Vish Yoga, and it is also known as the Sannyas Yoga, or other sort of negative thinking is indicating by these yugas. So please follow me so you can watch the next video tomorrow. Thank you.